society has a crucial role to play as a pillar of health advocacy, and I am committed to upholding and expanding this role in the coming years, inshallah. To my second term as President, I am deeply honored to serve again our honorable society, as I am inspired by the progress we have made and motivated by the challenges that lie ahead. And I am filled with hope and excitement for the journey that lies ahead. Pledge to promote fellowship and support among our members, fostering a sense of camaraderie and unity that will drive us towards our collective goals. By nurturing a culture of collaboration and mutual respect, we can harness the diverse talents and expertise within our society to effect positive change in our community and beyond.
Please join me in giving a warm welcome to this exceptional man, our keynote speaker, no less than Dr. Hector Santos Jr., the National President of the Philippine Medical Association. A round of applause, please.
As members of the medical community, it is our duty to strive for excellence in the delivery of medical care to our community. We must constantly seek to improve, to maintain, and sustain effective medical practices in order to provide the best possible care to our patients.
Your oath of office. Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Abinader Minalang, Lanao del Sur Medical Society, elected to the position of President of the Lanao del Sur Medical Society, do hereby solemnly swear I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my position, that I will support and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the Philippine Medical Association, the Lanao del Sur Medical Society, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of obligation.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Medical Society, through hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibility
of my position, that I will support and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the Philippine Medical Association,
and the Lanao del Sur Medical Society,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
members of the Medical Association, it is our responsibility to continue to strive for improvement, maintain high standards of care, and sustain an effective medical delivery to our community. I encourage all medical leaders to practice a meaningful servant leadership and effective participatory governance over your members.
Let us remember that our actions, no matter how small, have the power to create ripple effects that can transform lives and inspire others to join us in our noble work.
Let us lead by example and inspire others to uphold the values of integrity, compassion, and excellence in healthcare. Together, we can create a brighter future for our patients, our profession, and society as a whole.
Together, let us fulfill our commitment as we are called into action by our theme today, Pilipinong Mamamayan, Ating Alagaan. Together, let us build a healthier, stronger, and more compassionate Lanao del Sur.
Let us remain united towards our shared purpose, mission, and vision. Because together, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve the great things for the betterment of our profession.
The motto of the Philippine Medical Association for 2024-2025 ay nagkakaisang PMA, hatid ay kalusugan para sa lahat.
As Helen Keller once said, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. May the years ahead of us be filled with success, growth, and fulfillment for our society and each and every one of our members.